Hey, welcome to the exciting world of cryptocurrencies. Today we have something special to share with you, Crypto Airdrops. Get ready to learn about an incredible opportunity to receive from cryptocurrencies and participate in exciting projects. Have you ever wondered how to get your hands on cryptocurrencies without spending a dime? Well, airdrops are here to make that possible. Let's dive into the step-by-step guide on how to participate in crypto airdrops and potentially unlock valuable cryptocurrencies. Curiosity Unleash. Step 1. Join reputable cryptocurrency communities and platforms that frequently announce airdrops. These include social media channels, forums, and dedicated airdrop websites. Step 2. Stay active and engaged in these communities. Interact with posts, contribute valuable content, and follow the instructions provided by the airdrop organizers. Step 3. Keep an eye out for airdrop announcements. Organizers usually provide details about the project, the distribution method, and the eligibility criteria. Now that you have found an airdrop that catches your interest, let's move on to the next steps. Step 4. Follow the specified instructions to participate in the airdrop. This may include tasks such as joining Telegram groups, retweeting posts, sharing content, or completing KYC, Know Your Customer verification. Step 5. Make sure to carefully read the terms and conditions of the airdrop. Understand the rules and requirements to ensure eligibility for receiving the airdrop tokens. Participating in an airdrop not only gives you the opportunity to receive free tokens, but it also allows you to explore and support exciting blockchain projects. Now moving to step 6, provide your wallet address during the airdrop registration process. Make sure you have a compatible wallet for the specific cryptocurrency being airdropped. Step 7. Be patient. Airdrop distributions can take time as organizers verify participants and distribute tokens. Stay updated through official channels for distribution updates. Once the tokens are distributed to eligible participants, you can enjoy the benefits and potential value appreciation. Step 8. Hold and manage your airdrop tokens in a secure wallet. Consider researching and learning about token storage, best practices to ensure the safety of your assets. Step 9. Stay informed about the project behind the airdrop tokens. Follow their progress, join their communities, and consider participating in their ecosystem if it aligns with your interests. So, crypto airdrops are not only about receiving free tokens, but they also provide a gateway to explore exciting projects, build connections, and deepen your knowledge of the cryptocurrency ecosystem. So, are you ready to participate in crypto airdrops and potentially unlock valuable cryptocurrencies? Click the link in the description below to discover our recommended platforms and stay updated with the latest airdrop opportunities.